Hi, I'm Debs from South Essex Slings. I'm going to show you how to use the Lenny Lamb Upgrade Pro in a front carry with crossed straps. So firstly, we need to adjust the carrier to fit your child. So inside your waistband, you have these Velcro adjusters. So you want to make that to the width of your baby's knees. So across their bum and thighs, you want support to their knees. And on the front, these straps that pull down here adjust the height of the carrier. So that can be adjusted so that the top of the carrier is coming up to baby's earlobes and no higher. Then we will pop your waistband on. So I'm going to lay that fabric nice and flat against me, turn it in and pop that waistband on. Where your waistband goes depends on the height of your baby. So you always want your waistband to sit around where baby's bum sits on your body. So we want their head up nice and high on your chest. Wherever that bum is where your waistband sits. We're going to scoop baby's knees up into that nice squat position, supporting them under their bum and thighs. So they're in that nice natural squat position. And you can see that baby's bum is just dropping slightly lower than the top edge of that waistband, which is perfect. That's exactly where we want them to be. We are going to cross the straps on this. So make sure each of your straps is undone and loose. And you can do this before you pick up your baby. Then pick your baby up, pop them onto your body, getting that bum just over the top edge of that waistband so that you can bring a hand under that fabric and guide it up over baby's back. Pop your shoulder straps over your shoulders. There we go. If you need to adjust the height of the fabric, you can do so with your little adjusters there, pulling that up until it's meeting baby's neck. Keeping one hand on your baby, you're going to reach your other hand behind you. Stay close to your body and reach across for the strap on the opposite side. So I'm going under that first strap close to my body, reaching for the strap on the opposite side. If you can't quite reach it, just gently lean forwards and that strap will fall into your hands. If you lean back, it gets further away. So just gently lean forward, get hold of that strap. Pull straight down towards the floor to tighten it up and then pull round and you will clip it in on the opposite side. To tighten, you can pull that strap backwards. Switch hands and repeat. Reach across for that strap, lean forward if you need to grab it, pull down, pull across, clip it in and then pull backwards to tighten. Check baby's positioning so we can scoot those knees up, get them in that nice pelvic tilted squat position. Make sure their little hands are up by their face, making sure their head is nice and high on the firm part of your chest, their body's nice and tight against you, and you can see their face clearly. So they are always high, tight and in sight. Those are your main safety checks there. If you need to tighten things up a little bit more, you can do so by getting hold of that strap, pushing that slack backwards, pulling the slack round towards the front and tightening through. So you want to move the slack from baby around your body and then tighten it up. And that makes it much neater, nicer fit on your body. On this carrier, you have these perfect fit adjusters, which basically move the padding. So you can see the padding is just on the top of my shoulder there. So if I loosen myself up a little bit and I can tighten that, and that will bring the padding a bit more round to the front of my shoulder. So you can, these are literally personal fit adjusters. So you can fit this to your body exactly how you like it. We can always tuck that fabric in and make that neat if you like there, but baby is safe, I'm comfy, we're all good. To get baby out, simply unclip the clips at the sides, keeping hold of your baby, pop the fabric off, and then you can pop your baby down. If you want to check out one of my other videos for using it in rucksack straps, you can. I have a newborn video that shows rucksack straps. I also have a back carry video as well, so check those out if you need to, and if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out.